Here's how participants at LabLab AI leveraged advanced technology within the CogX Festival online hackathon to create groundbreaking applications in healthcare, marketing, and patient care. First place winner. HealthX uses AI to deliver personalized, affordable healthcare. It integrates IoT devices for continuous monitoring and predictive analytics to create tailored care plans, setting a new standard for proactive healthcare. Second place winner. Chatgpt is a marketing analytics tool that helps businesses optimize strategies and achieve outstanding results. It provides data-driven insights for impactful campaigns, ensuring a competitive edge. Third place winner. The hospital system chatbot uses AI and graph databases to improve patient experience and hospital efficiency with 24/7 personalized responses and real-time wait times. Are you ready to join the ranks of top AI builders? Your journey begins with LabLab AI, where imagination and AI merge to solve real-world challenges.